To change playback speed on YouTube TV 2025, start by opening the YouTube TV app on your device. Navigate to the video you want to watch and begin playing it. Once the video is playing, click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear or cog symbol. Next, select the playback speed option from the settings menu. This option may be listed under the video quality or audio settings. In the playback speed menu, you will see a list of available speed options, which typically include normal, slow, slower, fast, and faster. Choose the desired playback speed from the list. For example, if you want to watch a video in slow motion, select the slow or slower option. If you want to speed up a video, select the fast or faster option. After selecting the playback speed, the video will automatically adjust to the chosen speed. You can switch between different playback speeds at any time during the video. Keep in mind that changing the playback speed may affect the video quality or audio sync. To reset the playback speed to normal, simply select the normal option from the playback speed menu. It is also worth noting that not all videos on YouTube TV support playback speed adjustments, so this feature may not be available for all content. In addition to changing playback speed, you can also use other features such as closed captions, subtitles, and audio descriptions to enhance your viewing experience. By following these steps, you can easily change the playback speed on YouTube TV 2025 and enjoy your favorite videos at your preferred pace.